Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affairs of 8 July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Recently, Jennifer Girlings and Simons has been appointed as the president of Suriname. She is the first woman president of Suriname. So, the first woman president of Suriname is Jennifer Girlings Simons. If we talk about Suriname, Suriname is a South American state. It's a South American state. Jennifer Girlings Simons replaces Santoki. Chan Santoki. Next question. UPI powered bank branch launched on Bangalore. So, Bangalore become the first city in India to launch a UPI service in bank, and it is launched under the private fintech company by Slice company. So with the help of UPI, we can use the banking services. If we talk about fintech company are those company who uses technology to provide financial services like Paytm, PhonePe, etc. So, UPI powered bank branch launched in Bangalore. Next question. Indian won dash medals in the Asian Para Archery Championship. So, recently, Asian Para Archery Championship organized in Beijing, China, and India's won 9 medals and placed second position all over the world, all over the Asian. So, first position is in China and second in India. Indian won 9 medals. Next question. First National Cooperative University inaugurated in Gujarat. So recently, First National Cooperatives University of India named Tribhuvan Sahkari University launched in Gujarat. Neeraj Chopra Classic is a first international javelin throw championship organized in Karnataka, Bangalore. Its winner is Neeraj Chopra. Its first winner is Neeraj Chopra. So Neeraj Chopra Classic winner is Neeraj Chopra. 23rd Asian Regional Meeting of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons held in New Delhi, India. So, meeting on the prohibition of chemical weapons held in New Delhi, India. Latest World Bank report, India's rank in the most equal countries is 4th. So recently World Bank launched the most equal countries report. On the basis of report, India's rank 4th. So most equal. If we talk about most equal countries, those countries which have less inequality in income are placed in most equal countries. So India performed better in most equal countries and placed all over the world at 4th position. If we talk about World Bank was established on 1944 by Bretton Woods agreement and at Washington DC. Its member is 189 and its current president is Ajay Banga. First National Biobank inaugurated by Jitendra Singh at Delhi. So, first National Biobank of India inaugurated in Delhi. If we talk about biobank are those bank in which Indian genes are preserved and research for science and medications upliftment. So, if we talk about biobank, it will preserve genetics of Indians and examine the genes of Indians to cope up with many diseases like cancer, diabetes, and many communicable and non-communicable diseases. This helped for indigenously made vaccines which is based on DNA or genetics of India, and it is helpful for other research in medicinal and development. So, National Biobank inaugurated in New Delhi. So, first Indian's QR digital house address system is in Indore. If we talk about QR digital house address system, so all the information of the house or address like numbers, area of that house will be provided at the QR digital system. So every house have QR digital system, and it will help for digital registration of the house and providing information of the house for better services. Next question. New species of Assam, Garicinia kusame, is tree. So new species has been found in Assam, that is Garicinia kusami is a tree. Order of the Republic highest civilian award honored to PM Modi by. So highest civilian award honored by that is Order of the Republic honored to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and which government awarded, that is Trinidad Tobago. India's first space-based internet services launched by. So recently, India's first space-based internet services launched by Anant Technologies. Next question. Operation Mad Max was conducted by which organization? Recently, Operation Mad Max is in news, and it is conducted by Narcotics Control Bureau to control drugs. Jan Suraksha Santushti Abhiyan, organized in Gujarat. Its main aim is to provide welfare of government schemes to unreachable peoples, like who are not benefited from the scheme. They will provide benefit of the scheme and reach many people who are not able to get benefit of the scheme. Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana has been launched in Madhya Pradesh. Its main aim is to convert a village into self-reliant village, like services under the village and provide jobs under the village, so that the migration from village to urban can be reduced, and self-reliant or self-employment will be provided at the village. So what is the criteria of that village to be organized Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana? So if the village have 2000 population and around 500 cattle, so will be eligible under the Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana. So Mukhyamantri Vrindavan Gram Yojana launched in Madhya Pradesh. Fourth International Financing for Development Conference, organized in Seville, Spain. Fourth International Financing for Development Conference, FFD4, launched in Spain. Next question. Fight Women World Cup 2025 being held in Batumi, Georgia. So Fight Women World Cup 2025 being held in Batumi, Georgia. Initiative Home Delivering Goods under the PDS. So under the public distribution system, the initiative has been launched to deliver home delivery of goods. So launched in Tamil Nadu. So we are talking about the yesterday question. In the context of BRICS expansion, which of the following countries were recently added or considered in 2024 to 25 discussions? So answer is Egypt and Ethiopia. So yesterday question answer is Egypt and Ethiopia. So today's question is, how many members have BRICS? How many members in BRICS 2025? Answer in the comment section. So guys, we have completed important current affair of 8 July. If you like the video and subscribe to my channel.